Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by acting fast. Check the garment tag for water temperature and bleach warnings, then set a bowl with warm water and a towel nearby. Pour 2 tablespoons of liquid dish soap into 250 ml water and swish. This loosens surface oils. Next, apply rubbing alcohol to the sticker edge so the adhesive starts to dissolve. Press gently with a towel to lift without spreading. Once done, let the alcohol sit 1-2 minutes to penetrate the residue before you scrape. You now focus on dissolving sticky bits. Saturate the residue with rubbing alcohol or a labeled adhesive remover and wait 1 to 3 minutes so the solvent breaks the glue bonds. Then, using a soft brush or plastic scraper at a shallow angle, lift softened glue in short strokes. Make sure to reapply solvent as needed. If fibers pick up residue, blot with a clean towel to transfer glue away. Make sure not to use heat. That will set the adhesive into the fibers. You finish by laundering the garment on the warmest safe setting with a heavy-duty detergent to remove solvent and loosened adhesive. After washing, air dry only. Do not use the dryer until you confirm the residue is gone, because heat can set it permanently. If traces remain, repeat the solvent application and wash again, or soak in an oxygen bleach solution for 3 to 6 hours if fabric allows. If all else fails, test a small area with diluted solvent or consult a pro for delicate fabrics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.